Hello and welcome back to our series on digital skills in high demand. You can learn today and be successful. My name is Joy.
And I am Betty. Today we're diving into one of the most popular programming languages out there, Python programming.
That's right. In this episode, we will explore what Python programming is all about, why it is a great choice for both beginners and experienced developers, the benefits of learning this skill, and how you can master it here with us at Abuja Technology.
Now, what is Python programming? Python programming is a high-level language interpreted for its simplicity and readability. It is widely used for various applications such as web development, data analysis, machine learning, artificial intelligence, and lots more.
Python's clear syntax and versatility make it a favorite among developers, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to get into programming.
Importance of Python programming. Python is a very powerful tool that can be used for a wide range of tasks, from automating repetitive tasks to building complex applications. Benefits of learning Python programming. Learning Python programming opens up numerous opportunities in tech. It is relatively easy to learn, making it accessible for beginners. Plus, it is in high demand in the job market.
Additionally, Python programming is a versatile language, meaning you can use it in various fields such as web development, automation, data analysis, data science, artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, and scientific computing. You will engage in hands-on projects that provide practical experience, helping you build a solid foundation in Python programming by the end of the course.
Career opportunities in Python programming. With Python programming skills, you can pursue diverse career paths such as Python developer, data scientist, machine learning engineer, web developer, or automation engineer.
Internationally, Python programming skills are highly sought after, and many companies offer remote positions, allowing you to work with global teams and expand your career opportunities.
Now, why should someone learn Python programming? Learning Python programming empowers you to create solutions that can simplify tasks, analyze data, and even build intelligent applications. It is a skill that combines creativity and analytical thinking.
And with Abuja Technology's hands-on training, you will gain the confidence and expertise needed to tackle complex projects and excel in the tech industry. If you're ready to dive into the world of Python programming, check out Abuja Technology's training on Python programming. This could be your gateway to a rewarding career in technology.
Thank you for joining us in today's episode. Remember, each skill we cover in this series is key to unlocking job opportunities in 2025 and beyond.
See you in the next episode. Bye.